Hello everybody, Bruce here, and I thought I'd just give you a short little video on this particular page here that's in Canvas that you're reading now on how to download and install this Chaos program and open it up in Visual Studio Code. The video that's in the page is using something called idle. It's a primitive editor that comes with Python when you install it. In fact, we used to use it for a long time prior to switching over to Visual Studio Code. So check this out. Ready? So I'm in the middle of the page on download, and I'm going to click on the file called chaos.py. And it's going to try to give you a preview of it here in the browser. But I'm going to click on download chaos.py. And now it's going to download it here into my downloads folder. In fact, if I go show in folder, you can see here it's on my downloads on my C drive on my PC. In fact, I'm just going to move it to my desktop. Okay, and there it is on my desktop. All right. So what I'm going to do now is I'm in Visual Studio Code, and if you don't have the sidebar open here, you can just click on this icon. You can also hit Control B or Command B if you're on a Macintosh. And I'm not going to open a folder because I don't have this file in a folder, but if I go File, Open File, you'll see on my desktop here, I'm on my desktop, Chaos, and I'll click on Open. And now you can see I have the file here in Visual Studio Code. Don't mind that right there. And I can drag this like a sidebar here, or I can close it myself using Control B on a PC and Command B on a Macintosh. Okay, see, it's closed there, right? So in the video below this one, where I actually go through the program, you see that I'm using idle, okay, and not this editor right here. So I could do this, right? Debug, start without debugging, right here in the menus, and it'll run the program in the terminal below. And it says enter a number between 0 and 1. I'll enter 0.4. And you can see there that the program did run. All right. So I just wanted to get you familiar with that workflow. File, either open a folder that contains one or more programs, or open a file. I highly recommend that you create folders and not do what I just did. So I would have probably placed that in a module -1 folder. So I had the code there. So there you go. All right. Hope this little video helped.